Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are finally here at Rockynats. It's a glorious day, sun is shining. You should see the cars, they are awesome. If you see the R32 GTR, I hope you come up and say hello. By the time you see this video, I hope I've met you guys, and yeah, enjoy the day.
We're going to heat this up to stick into the plastic in the bottom of the bung.
Yep.
Then it melts its way in and we can unscrew it.
Okay. Righto. Cool flex.
Thanks for that.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Is this one of them Herbert stew things?
That's your one drag, eh, bro?
Oh,
Make it in one airbox, mate.
It's got like a small front housing and a massive rear housing.
Well, it's a TDO 620G.
Oh yeah. It must. Is it high AR rating? What's the AR rating on the back? You're not sure.
Like 0.7 to a 0.8.
See, that's huge for a just an RV20. So what computer runs this? Oh, it is a house tech.
Yeah, it's good. The money was put in good spots, but not in the right. Not what you can see.
Yeah, for sure. All right, let's get this dog on the road.
We're about to freaking go on this cruise. Yeah, pretty funny number plate.
Right to go.
Up here, Josh. Yo, that's sick.
I can't help it. We're broken down. There's Chris and them. We're broken down. Alright, let's check it out.
Thanks. Cheers, bro.
Yeah. Cheers, boys.
Come on, brother.
Oh, Josh.
You guys want some? Oh, yeah.
Stickers, guys. Grab some.
Cheers!
Oh, no. Grab some stickers, guys.
Thank you!
Come out. Grab some.
Thank you.
Subscribe, guys.
Thank you.
There you go. Subscribe.
Subscribe, guys.
Pretty cool.
Wait, I'll push it back.
It'll
It'll come right. As soon as it gets cooler, it'll be right. Tree parade was sick, gave out heaps of stickers. The car unfortunately didn't make it. I've got an MS109 fuel problem, so I'm thinking that it's bursted a fuel line in the tank and it's leaning itself right out. So we've called it quits. We're just going to go grab the cruiser and the trailer. We're going to leave it here outside the Heritage Building and come back to it. Thanks for the support, guys. We had heaps of people talk to us today. A lot of guys knew us and a lot of new people know us. So hi to all you guys and welcome to the channel.
Gonna go get some food while we're stuck.
Might as well make the most of it. Shout out to the boys that gave me 2 beers.
Hi all!
Cur or something. Oh, that's loud, isn't it? Let's go pick the dog up. Yeah, where are we going to get an O2 sensor in Rocky on Good Friday? Redeem yourself. Need a lift? What's that smell? Is that?
No.
Oh, it's the burnouts, brother. pumped. I just want to give it a quick clean. We'll go see the boys at Autoworx, and then we've got to track down an O2 sensor. This is such an awesome event. The fact that we can do power skids up the streets and just not get, they don't care. Oh, you know, like they care, but to a point you can have some fun. Yeah. Guys, so we're at Autoworx Rockhampton. They've let us use their hoist. I can't thank these guys enough. They are incredible. They've even rang up Johnny at Burson's, who's got us an O2 sensor. It was here within like literally what, 2 minutes? So we called Johnny, he was here within 2 minutes. He had a Howtech O2 sensor, gave me the kit, we put it in, even let me clean the fuel filter, check the car. Thank you, Autoworx Rockhampton. No luck, O2 sensor didn't fix it. It's actually reading a little bit worse, which is good because it means that that fresh O2 sensor is good. I'm going to spend the night here at Autoworx Rockhampton on the computer and just see what I can find. Thanks for watching, guys. We had an awesome day regardless. The car went beautifully up to that point. We threw some stickers out, you guys loved it. We've already had some feedback. Everyone loved the car, which is great. We're very humble to get some very nice comments. And yeah, so tomorrow we're going to try and get this thing at the drags. If we don't, we'll still come down for the show and shine. Like, comment, subscribe, take it easy.